What if I told you that there was a way to sell an idea for thousands of dollars, then that you only had to deliver that idea months into the future after already getting paid for it? Now you'd probably think, hey, that's crazy, unethical, or even impossible. And I thought so too until I tried it and generated $16,523 before delivering my first virtual event. So what am I talking about and why should you believe me? Well, hello, my name is Sam Backer and here's the proof. I had for years struggled creating products, only to discover that after finishing them, no one wanted to buy them. I tried everything and paid tens of thousands of dollars on coaching programs and training products as I mapped my progress and tried to figure out, why was I having so many issues? And during that process, I uncovered a major problem that affects 99.9% of people out there trying to make money online right now. The problem is that almost every course, training or consulting program runs on one model, and I call this the old model because it's how everything used to be done before the internet as well. Now, the old model relies on products. It teaches that in order to make money online, you need a product. Something like a course, online training, software, or a product you've packaged up to sell as part of your consulting agency. You see some of the biggest names in the business pushing this model right now. First, create a product that you can deliver. Then create a message to sell that product. Then sell that product, and then you think, well, that'll make sense. Then you waste months of time trying to do it without any success. Well, here's what you should have been taught. Sell, deliver, and repeat. Unlike the most widely used model of today, sell, deliver, and repeat works every time. In fact, a handful of smart marketers are using this model right now to make millions across almost every industry imaginable. Everything from NFTs right through to e-commerce, online marketing, and yes, even consulting. Sell an idea that you have, deliver it at some point in the future, then scale that. My next question for you is, would you like to learn how you can take this idea that I've shared with you right here and put it on steroids, literally making thousands of dollars, never having to create a course, challenge, training, software, or consulting pitch, instead using this model to work for you? Well, I've decided to share the strategy within a 3-day exclusive and private event I'm running soon. Now, this event will run for 3 days and will include a complete blueprint of this exact strategy, how every step works, and most importantly, how you can apply it to whatever niche or goal to start profiting within 48 hours of the end of this event. Not only that, but as part of your attendance of this event, I'm also going to include several bonuses. A proven and tested funnel I've created that you can use immediately. Now, this sells your event for you. I'll show you how to customize it and how to use this funnel at your event. You're also going to receive downloadable processes and resource documents that outline this entire strategy for you. Now, you can print these out and use them after the event's ended for guidance and to help you with your campaigns. You're also going to get a pre-written digital notebook that you can use at the event. Now, you'll be able to read the questions and fill in answers within the spaces that we provide you, and you'll be able to keep this notebook after the event to help you to retain what you learned and help you within your campaigns as you go forward and use this model yourself. So all of the proven funnels I've created and pitches that make this method so effective, I'm going to be giving them to you as a bonus as well. And I'm also going to hand you a step-by-step process sheet that's going to include all of the tools that I use, how you can use them as well, and basically how you can recreate what I'm doing for this event identically, so you can use it in your own business, whatever your niche and whatever you're selling. And not only that, but because I'm so excited about this event, I'll also be giving away thousands of dollars to attendees during the event as well. So this event is called Virtual Event Summit. And when you register today, you're only going to have to pay a fraction of the public entry price. In fact, the sooner you get access, the more money you're going to save. So go down below now and take a look at exactly what you're getting during this event and why this is a must-see event that you absolutely want to be a part of. Simply scroll down the page you're on right now, select the package you'd like to join, purchase your ticket, and feel free to purchase more if you'd like for friends and family who would also like to attend this event with you. Now, you can redeem your tickets about 1 week before the event, and that's going to give you access to a private lobby with all of the times each training is happening and details of each training as well. We'll also have some very special guests who have made thousands of dollars using this very strategy I'll be sharing with you that will be joining us at the event as well to share their experiences, what they've learned, and some strategies too. I hope you're excited. Go down below right now, join this event, get your tickets reserved today to ensure you maximize your savings, and pick up some tickets for friends and family and those within your company who you'd like to join you at this virtual event. I can't wait to see you there.